In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a mock-up on a device screen in PowerPoint. This is a really handy skill for anyone looking to create polished presentations, showcasing a design or a user interface on a digital device. Let's dive in step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a seamless, professional-looking result. First things first, launch PowerPoint on your desktop. You can do this by locating the PowerPoint icon on your taskbar or through your Applications menu. Once PowerPoint opens, you'll need to either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're starting a new file, add in all your essential elements like photos, tables, and any other content you'll be using for your presentation to set the foundation. This setup gives you the framework onto which you'll place your mockup. Now, it's time to grab the image you wish to showcase on the device screen. So, find that image on your computer or wherever it's stored. Select it and simply copy it. You can usually do this by right-clicking the image and selecting Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on a PC, or Command+C for Mac users. Next, we need to prepare the canvas for our image within PowerPoint. Insert a shape that perfectly mirrors the device's screen area on which you intend to place your image. This could be a rectangle or a freeform, depending on the shape of the device screen. A trick here is to first copy the device's image into a new slide or on the same slide but side by side, and then use this as a guide to align your shape corners precisely. With the shape ready, right-click it and choose Format Shape from the drop-down. This will open a menu on the right-hand side where you'll see a Fill section. Select Fill, then click on Picture or Texture Fill. This setting allows you to fill the shape with your selected image, creating the mock-up effect. Under the Picture Source section, select Clipboard since this is where your copied image is temporarily stored. This action will paste the image inside the shape you've drawn, confining it exactly to the size and shape of the device screen. To polish off the look, you definitely want to eliminate any borders that could distract from the main display. Click on No Outline to remove the shape's border entirely. Finally, for the finishing touch and to achieve a realistic appearance, select the shape once again and navigate to Shape Format. Here, select 3D rotation to adjust the perspective so that it matches the angle and orientation of your device. This adjustment is what truly makes your mockup appear integrated naturally onto the device screen. And there you have it, a professional-looking mockup on a device screen in PowerPoint, ready to wow your audience or clients. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips on enhancing your presentations.